To create a MySQL database, click on this icon over here. Now basically you will need this MySQL database to use with a third-party script to be installed on your server. So the first step to do this is to go to this field over here and create the database name. It can be anything that you want. For example, it can be test1. Then click on the create database here. Next, the second step is to create a user. Scroll down. Create a new user. For example, the username test with the password test. Again, password test. And optionally, you can also use this generate password button for the system to generate password for you. Then click on create user. So this is the second step. Once you have done that, go back, and now you need to integrate or add the database to the user. Scroll down, find the user. Because I already have my own user before this is why in the drop down box there's more than one. So find the user here, Amir test, and find the database, which is Amir test1. Then click on the add button over here. This will integrate the user and the database. Then over here, check on this box, all privileges, and click on this button, make changes. And there you go. Now it has been added. So now the database username is called Amir_test. The database name is called Amir_test1, and the password is the password which you created just now. Let's go back. And you can find over here there are many databases, and these are examples of my own database which I use for each of the script. Like you see here, AdTracks. It is a third-party ad tracking script. Okay, so basically the number of database that you can have will be limited by your web hosting provider. So you must check with your web hosting provider on how many database do they allow you to have on your account. So basically that's all. And if you want to delete the database, just click on this delete button. And if you want to delete the user, just click on this user button. Again, if you want to delete the user entirely, you can click on this button or this button.